2025 BMW R1300 GS Adventure. MSRP $22,000. Engine 1,300 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, boxer twin. Power 143 horsepower. Torque 110 lb-ft. Transmission 6-speed with quick shifter. Seat height 34.3 inches. Weight 549 pounds. Wet. Fuel capacity 7.9 gallons. Features: adaptive LED headlights, semi-active suspension, integrated navigation. Chassis and suspension: steel frame, telelever front, paralever rear. Design: rugged, modern, with signature GS styling. Two, 2025 Honda Northern Territory 1100 DCDES. MSRP $15,500 EST. Engine 1,084 cubic centimeters, parallel twin. Power 100 horsepower. Torque 77 lb-ft. Transmission DCD dual clutch transmission. Seat height 32.3 inches. Weight 524 pounds. Fuel capacity 5.5 gallons. Features: electronic suspension, cruise control, TFT display. Chassis and suspension: aluminum frame, adjustable suspension. Design: sleek, touring-oriented. 3. 2025 Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports. MSRP $18,000. Engine 1,084 cubic centimeters, parallel twin. Power 101 horsepower. Torque 77 lb-ft. Transmission 6-speed manual or DCT. Seat height 34.4 inches. Weight 533 pounds. Wet. Fuel capacity 6.5 gallons. Features: multi-mode ABS, traction control, ride modes. Chassis and suspension: steel frame, Showa ERA suspension. Design: rugged and rally-inspired. 4. 2025 Triumph Tiger Sport. MSRP $16,500. Engine 888 cubic centimeters, triple cylinder. Power 94 horsepower. Torque 64 lb-ft. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 32.6 inches. Weight 502 pounds. Wet. Fuel capacity 5.3 gallons. Features: cruise control, TFT display, ride modes. Chassis and suspension: aluminum frame, long travel suspension. Design: sporty, dynamic, British flair. 5. 2025 Yamaha Ténéré 700. MSRP $10,500. Engine 689 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, parallel twin. Power 72 horsepower. Torque 50 lb-ft. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 34.4 inches. Weight 452 pounds. Wet. Fuel capacity 4.2 gallons. Features: rally-style cockpit, adjustable suspension. Chassis and suspension: double cradle steel frame, long travel KYB forks. Design: lightweight, adventure-ready. 6. 2025 Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello S. MSRP $17,000. Engine 1,042 cubic centimeters, V-twin. Power 115 horsepower. Torque 77 lb-ft. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 32.1 inches. Weight 514 pounds. Wet. Fuel capacity 4.5 gallons. Features: adaptive aerodynamics, cruise control. Chassis and suspension: tubular steel frame, Öhlins semi-active suspension. Design: Italian flair with modern touches. 7. 2025 Honda NX 500. MSRP $8,500. Engine 500 cubic centimeters, parallel twin. Power 47 horsepower. Torque 31 lb-ft. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 32.5 inches. Weight, 430 pounds, wet. Fuel capacity, 4.3 gallons. Features, compact and agile, lightweight design. Chassis and suspension, steel frame, telescopic fork. Design, simple and rugged. 8. 2025 Moto 450 metric tons. MSRP, $6,500. Engine, 450 cubic centimeters, parallel twin. Power, 43 horsepower. Torque, 30 lb-ft. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 31.5 inches. Weight, 385 pounds, wet. Fuel capacity, 3.7 gallons. Features, TFT display, ABS, LED lighting. Chassis and suspension, steel trellis frame, upside-down front forks. Design, budget-friendly, versatile. 9. 2025 Moto Guzzi V85 TT. MSRP, $13,500. Engine, 853 cubic centimeters, air-cooled V-twin. Power, 76 horsepower. Torque, 60 lb-ft. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 32.7 inches. Weight, 505 pounds, wet. Fuel capacity, 6.1 gallons. Features, ride modes, full LED lighting, cruise control. Chassis and suspension, steel tube frame, long travel suspension. Design, retro adventure styling. 10. 2025 Kawasaki KLR 650. MSRP, $7,000. Engine, 652 cubic centimeters, single cylinder. Power, 40 horsepower. Torque, 39 lb-ft. Transmission, 5-speed. Seat height, 34.3 inches. Weight, 456 pounds, wet. Fuel capacity, 6.1 gallons. Features, long travel suspension, large fuel tank. Chassis and suspension, semi-double cradle frame, telescopic fork. Design, practical, utilitarian.